Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how much money I made with this video, which has around 1000 views. So this is a music video. As you can see, it is 11 minutes and 51 seconds. It is a music mix. I upload music mixes on this channel. It's called Nothing Music. No one cares. Okay, I will show you my analytics. As you can see, here is my description. It's public, everything. Yeah, nothing special. Maybe I will show you the tags. These are the tags that I use, nothing special, but I would suggest to you to always use tags and try to maximize your tags, because that can really help with your reach. Yeah, so let's go to the analytics. As you can see, as I mentioned, it has 1000 views. It's been up like 24 days. 1000 views, 4.3 hours watch time, 2 subscribers, and $2.16. It's still going. It has 14 views in the last 24 hours. Yeah, more informations, maybe some more about the revenue. So the revenue is $2.16. The RPM, as you could already count, it's almost the same as the revenue because it has $1000, and the RPM is the rate how much YouTube pays you for 1000 views. So for this video it's quite obvious. Yeah, more statistics. 59% of the revenue comes from skippable video ads, 23% bumper ads, non-skippable ads. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. I will show you more statistics in the future. If you like this series, check out my YouTube tips and tricks playlist, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Bye. And you can click off. It's over. This video is over. It's over.